French sculptor Frederick A. Bartholdi built the Statue of Liberty as a gift for the United States in 1886. The Statue of Liberty represents peace and justice. The French gave the Statue of Liberty to the United States as a symbol of peace and friendship. The Statue of Liberty is 151 feet tall. That's almost 30 of me. The Statue of Liberty is made of copper. It used to be brown, but then a chemical reaction between the oxygen in the air and the copper, the Statue of Liberty rusted. You know there's 7 wonders of the world, but do you know there's going to be an 8th? The Statue of Liberty shouldn't just be the 8th wonder of the world because it's tall. It represents so many things, like peace, unity, freedom, and justice. It also represents hope for the people who are coming over to the United States from different countries. Many of them have lived very hard lives, and seeing the Statue of Liberty gives them hope for a better new life. Fun facts about the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty wears a size 879 shoe. The French sculptor sculpted the Statue of Liberty's face after his mother. The Statue of Liberty's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World. Approximately 4 million people visit the Statue of Liberty each year. Make the Statue of Liberty the 8th wonder of the world.